This is the intersection of Pennsylvania Avenue and Waters Lane in Maryland. It's like an unfortunate incident here. A fatal accident, it looks like. There's a bicycle. Let me move closer and show you. It's a bicycle right there. This clearly has been hit. I'm not sure we know of the condition of the rider of that bicycle, but clearly it looks like could have been a fatal incident right here. So this is what is happening. The roads here are closed. Quite some presence of police officers, or men and women here. Yep, so that's what's happening. Someone has lost their life right there. It's unfortunate. And you see that car right there. Is actually the one that has hit the cyclist. It's a cyclist right there, and that's the motorist right there, and all around the police clearly. It's a sad situation right here. It's a sad situation. Once again, just a recap that we are at the intersection of Pennsylvania Avenue and Walters Lane here in Maryland on route number 4. And so this is what is happening. An incident that has left people very sad around here, whereby a cyclist, it would appear, has been hit by a motorist. It could be the other way around, or it could be the cyclist hit the vehicle. We are yet to establish what exactly happened, but clearly there is a fatality here after this after what happened this evening here. And as you can see, there are even some neighbors here taking videos of the unfortunate incident here in Maryland, in the United States of America. Once again, zoom in on the vehicle that is suspected to have hit the cyclist. Okay. The roads here are closed right now as we wait for investigations to begin. There is quite some police presence after what has happened here. The unfortunate incident whereby a fatality has been recorded. So what you are actually looking at right now, the first responders, including fire marshals, police officers, after what has happened. There's not a whole lot that they can do right now because clearly the cyclist has passed on, so they are waiting for the investigators to come and carry out the initial investigation, so then the body can be taken away. A sad moment here in Maryland on Pennsylvania Avenue and Walters Lane. A sad moment here where somebody has lost their life. Clearly. Very sad to see the do not cross line all around, and all these roads have been closed as we await this investigation to take place. Even fire marshals, more of them have come here, but there's not a whole lot going on now. So a sad day, sad way. What a sad way to end the day with a life lost. One more life lost on the roads in the United States of America.